In many cases, genotypic interactions between the two alleles at a locus can be described as dominant or recessive, according to which of the two homozygous phenotypes the heterozygote most resembles. Where the heterozygote is indistinguishable from one of the homozygotes, the allele expressed is the one that leads to the dominant phenotype, and the other allele is said to be recessive. The degree and pattern of dominance varies among loci. This type of interaction was first formally described by Gregor Mendel. However, many traits defy this simple categorization, and the phenotypes are modeled by codominance and polygenic inheritance. The term wild-type allele is sometimes used to describe an allele that is thought to contribute to the typical phenotypic character as seen in wild populations of organisms, such as fruit flies. Such a wild-type allele was historically regarded as leading to a dominant, common, and normal phenotype, in contrast to mutant alleles that lead to recessive, rare, and frequently deleterious phenotypes. It was formerly thought that most individuals were homozygous for the wild-type allele at most gene loci, and that any alternative mutant allele was found in homozygous form in a small minority of affected individuals, often as genetic diseases, and more frequently in heterozygous form in carriers for the mutant allele. It is now appreciated that most or all gene loci are highly polymorphic, with multiple alleles, whose frequencies vary from population to population, and that a great deal of genetic variation is hidden in the form of alleles that do not produce obvious phenotypic differences.